Congratulations on buying your gigantic ass bed. Some assembly is required. Your bed will show up with 4 pieces. You'll have the base foam, a waterproof cover for the base foam, the super fluffy bed portion, and the bolster portion. So we'll start with the easy part, and you simply will just put the waterproof cover over the base foam. It fits in there pretty nicely. I find it's easier if you just stand it up and zip it all the way around. Straighten it out a little bit. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this aside for a minute. And we're gonna start with the bolster. So you're gonna take your super fuzzy portion and go ahead and flip it over. And there's 2 zipper pockets. The big pocket in the center that we're gonna put the base foam in, and then these pockets along the side that open about 75% of the way. We're gonna go ahead and put the bolster part of the way in, put the base foam in, finish putting in the bolster, zip it up, and happy dogs. It does take a little bit of effort, but totally worth it. So let me see if I can just get Shelby off the bed here. Come on. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one end of the bolster and we're gonna thread it all the way through the portion where there is no zipper. As soon as we've got it all the way through there, we're gonna go ahead and put in our base piece and zip that in to finish putting in the bolster. You're just gonna work this in here, almost like putting your legs into a pair of pantyhose here. You're gonna work it all the way through and then pull it out the other side. Just keep feeding it into there. This does take a little bit of effort, I know, but it's totally worth it, guys. So I'm gonna come through now, and instead of pushing it through, I'm gonna pull it through. So you can see I've got it coming all the way through. Now I just need to feed it a little bit more. Okay, so now we've got it all the way through. We're gonna go ahead and spread out the bed. Remember, I am working on this bed upside down. We're gonna spread this out a little bit. Go ahead and unzip. The part where the base is gonna go. Come to the end, all right. Open that puppy up, just like a big giant sleeping bag. And this does not have a top side or a bottom side. You can put either side up, so don't worry about which side needs to go up. We're gonna lay it in here to help shape the base of the bed. You will need a big space to do this, and preferably dogs that are sleeping and not wanting to help. base in there. Situate this a little bit better so we can get back to the bolster. All the way around here. We're just gonna start now, because this is the end of the bolster. So we're gonna just put this guy in there to meet up. Once you kind of get to the end, put it up on its side, let gravity help you out a little bit. If it's fighting, just keep tucking the material through. Sometimes these little hairs get in the way. And voila, you have a fully assembled gigantic ass bed. Thanks, guys.